Here at ACRO Automation Systems, we provide custom manufacturing solutions to customers worldwide. This video is a resistance spot welding system for a component in an automotive exhaust assembly. At the load station, an operator snaps a set of patches and frames into a pallet fixture. The pallet then travels into a vision camera inspection station where it is verified that the proper parts are loaded correctly. The pallet then proceeds down the track to the spot welding station. The pallet is raised above the conveyor on a precision lift for accurate positioning. Two resistance welding pinch guns advance and clamp onto the parts. An electrical current is passed through the pinch gun and the parts to propagate the creation of the fused material of the spot weld. The pallet is tooled up for two different patch radiuses. Changing over the pallet from one size to the other involves lifting the green handle and rotating the fixture 180 degrees. Sensors in the load station verify that the pallet tooling is in the correct orientation for the product being produced. After the parts leave the spot welding station, it proceeds to an auto unload station where a pneumatic ripper clamps on the part, pulling it from the fixture and depositing it into the finished part code. ACRO Automation Systems prides itself in providing cost-effective solutions to our customers for over 80 years. Uptime, on time, all the time.